appreciation, gratitude and appreciation. And this really helps. So maybe you can buy a book and do the gratitude and appreciation journal. And just appreciate 3 things about you, or about your friends, family, others, and about the world. I can see, hear, smell, whatever you have. But there's a roof above me. How wonderful. And touch feet to the ground. I can touch my feet to the ground. Appreciate that. And when you eat the food, appreciate the food. To have that food on your plate needs so many causes and conditions. The farmers, the sellers, the chef, so many causes and conditions now here on your plate. How wonderful. So when we begin to appreciate these things, then what happens? See the positive thing.